Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this first lecture for the data structure, and in this first video we'll discuss about the basic topics of data structure which you'll find in the agenda for the video in a while. But for those who don't know me, you're new here because I also make Java tutorials. So hi guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make these tutorial videos just like this for Java and for data structure. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you all are doing great and ready to learn, so let's kick this video. But before that, let's go ahead and check out the agenda. So here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we'll discuss what is data structure. Following that, we'll see the features of data structure, and we'll wrap this video by discussing the types of data structure or by looking at the classification of data structure. So when we talk about data structure guys, so in simple words we can say it provides the way to store the data into the computer system or the computer memory. Like it's just a way that tells us that how we can store the data or how we should store the data to make the data easy to access and efficient. In other words, we can say in computer science, a data structure is a data organization, management and storage format that enables efficient access and modification for the data. Now here we have few features of data structure guys, and the number one is a searching time is reduced. So guys, since the data is arranged in a proper order, so searching time is automatically reduced because now it's very easy to search the data, to take out the data or to find the data from a particular queue or a particular array. The next is less memory requirement. So guys, due to the proper data organization, the unnecessary space is released. And the last but not least is a fast data processing. That means in a proper data structure operation environment, the data processing operations like insert, update and delete are performed quickly. That's why we say fast data processing, and it all happens because the data is stored in a proper manner. So guys, when we talk about the data structure type or the classification, so data structure is divided into two groups. The first one is linear and the other one is non-linear. When we talk about the linear, so we have something array, we have union, linked list, queues and stack. And talk about the non-linear, then we have trees and graphs. And we'll try to cover all these and some other topics of data structure in our upcoming videos. So stay connected with me and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any update. That's all for this one. See you in the next. Bye bye.